Hello friends, this is Brenda from China. I'm very happy to meet all of you through the website. In past years, we keep recommending good quality products like mixing machine, dry packing machine, overhead gantry cranes to worldwide customers. They all get very good feedback. This is not only because of luck, more is about mutual trust and win-win based on our very reliable quality. Now, Chinese Lunar New Year is coming. On behalf of Kevino Machinery, I want to express our deep gratitude and the best wishes for our customers. Thank you very much for your strong support in the past. We will do better in the coming future. Our company will start holiday from January 23 to February 16, then back to work on February 17. So, Happy New Year! We will see you soon.